Metong innovates, comes down to earth, and pursues quality every minute. Serves for global customers based on the local condition. Creates the future with constant quality. Metong innovates. Founded in 2000, Metong is a modern equipment manufacturing enterprise, which especially produces road construction machinery. Its business covers road construction, pavement maintenance equipment manufacturing, research and development of asphalt pavement construction technology, and other fields. According to the statistics, Metong has become the enterprise with the most asphalt distributor products in the world. It has become a widely influential enterprise in the Chinese construction machinery industry. Metong sticks to technological innovation, introduces advanced technologies from Europe and the United States, continuously upgrades its products, and produces a batch of high-end equipment with internationally advanced level. The company innovates and develops with advanced international R&D concept and manufacturing technology. The company has the first testing center of asphalt distributor and synchronous vehicle and the first asphalt distributor detection line in China. Each product has multiple quality assurance when it leaves the factory. Metong's main products include fiber seal paver, asphalt chips synchronous seal paver series, the first 3-in-1 asphalt chip synchronous seal paver in China, has double belt conveying, which is internationally advanced and leading in China. Automatic double expansion module spreads asphalt and crushed stones uniformly and accurately. It has high degree of automation and it is not influenced by the outside world, which ensures the construction quality. A series of asphalt distributors includes 12-ton rubber asphalt distributor, 5 to 12-ton intelligent asphalt distributor, 5 to 12-ton standard asphalt distributor, and 3 to 12-ton common asphalt distributor. Slurry seal paver series have reached the highest requirements of slurry seal. The microsurface processing technology meets the high-precision microsurfacing technological requirements. Asphalt pavement maintenance vehicle series. The company has the first large tonnage full-function asphalt thermal insulation maintenance vehicle in China, which has good function, high efficiency, and a big benefit. Asphalt pavement comprehensive maintenance vehicle is flexible and efficient. Rubber asphalt, modified emulsified asphalt, asphalt regeneration, and other production equipment include series equipment developed by the company with Phoenix Technologicals Incorporation in 2005 for repairing of Chang'an Avenue. Modified emulsified asphalt equipment sold to United States. Other equipment series include chips spreader, asphalt barrel emptying equipment, intelligent asphalt carrier vehicle, asphalt transportation tank, carrier asphalt distributor, energy-saving and environment-friendly asphalt mixer, and pavement brushing vehicle. Metong products do not only pass 3C vehicle certification and ISO 9001 International Quality System certification, but also have obtained the top 50 of Chinese machinery product, one of the 10 professional brands of Chinese construction machinery, and other words. It has become a real leader in the road construction machinery industry. Nowadays, Metong's products have been widely used in the field of road construction and road area in all provinces and cities in China, as well as more than 60 countries and regions throughout the world. Metong has won high popularity and reputation. Customers' choice is not only acceptance of our products, but also just of our brand. Metong always upholds the idea of customer first. Every year, the company holds high-quality training meeting for the customers for free, and constantly provides high-quality, high-efficiency, comprehensive and whole-process services to customers. It gradually becomes the power source for sustainable development of Metong. Today, the tide of economical globalization provides higher requirements and challenges to Metong. Metong will always serve for global customers based on the local condition, cultivates its morality to develop the industry, try its best to serve the country, continue to expand professional field, strive to develop technology, strengthen the global service ability, and create a Chinese path with Metong features with excellent products and services. Creates the future with constant quality. Metong innovates.